Yeah, finally I get to back to work to doing the rear main seal. And it's so noisy in the shop today. Everybody's blowing. But I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take me to get this on, because this lip seal is brand new, so it's not compressed. So usually it serves a challenge. Let's get the intro over with and get straight to work, because I need to have this thing out today. I got pushed behind, so let's do it. Okay, now first things first, put a layer of silicone on the seal, okay, and then of course I'm gonna put a coat on the bottom side as well.
I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where
I got this thing siliconed up. Y'all see that? Get it on.
flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight, oh yeah, we'll make it tonight, yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do, I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove, no end in sight, just always staying on the move, I'll go all night, if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford, memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored, go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Hey. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH.
Beautiful, look at that, buddy. Shit!
I put a new lip seal.
No way!
Yeah.
Hey, they said the first one is in there?
Yeah. What, you don't believe I put a new lip seal?
No.
Yeah, the older one's over there, look. Woo. Now there's a secret that I've acquired on my own to doing this. I'll put one bolt that's gonna be like a pivot. I gotta crush this one down. So right here, I'm gonna vice this down. Y'all see how it slightly moves?
Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH.
Just slightly run it down.
All the lights take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and
It got filled with RTV, guys. Sorry.
I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me.
Alright, so now that we got that, now what I'm gonna do, now hopefully for some reason if there is any seepage, that seepage will now be caught by the layer of RTV right there. So it's backup, right? Redundant. It's a redundant repair, if you will. So that is basically how we do the rear main seals on a 3.5 liter with that retainer. It's a pain in the butt. I'm not sure if I edited it all the way out, but it's a pain in the butt. If it could come out clean, completely clean, that'd be nice, but sometimes it doesn't. And sometimes the actual crank seal will roll up. That's fun. But yeah, we're done with that. I'm gonna slap the transmission in. They approved the pan. Remember, that pan's damaged, so I gotta replace that pan, and then we will catch y'all on the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully this video gets some good content. Remain seal, you know, my last one got some good content, but we was all over the place with that one. I was helping buddy out and it didn't turn out too well. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna slap the on the flex plate. You put the flex plate back on. It has to go on in a certain way, because there are actually teeth on it that the crank signal is generated from. So if that's off, if that's wrong, yeah, you ain't starting. But I need y'all to do me a favor, all right? Check out these videos right here. Links are down in the description below for some Amazon stuff, some cool stuff. And we'll see y'all later. Peace.